Listen, one of the biggest contradictions of massive success is this. You go to your moms, your dads, your brothers, your sisters, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, and you say, listen, one day the world's gonna know who I am. One day I'm gonna have the Ferrari, the Lambo, the Rolls, the Bentley, the big house, the cars, the backyard with the massive swimming pool and an elevator. I'm gonna throw the biggest parties. I'm gonna be a millionaire one day. You say it with fire in your heart, right? But then reality hits. Instead of staying at the office Friday night, what do? You call your friends and you go party. Instead of waking up Saturday morning to hit the gym, you sleep until 10 o'clock. Instead of reading a book on Sunday, you kick back and watch movies all day. Here's the truth. Those who win big, they do 4 things right. They sleep, sweat, grind, repeat. Over and over and over until their dreams become reality. If you can push through doing things you hate to do, on the other side is greatness. You gotta have the mentality to show up every day of your life, no excuses, no matter what life throws at you. It's your responsibility to show up to the Coliseum of life, prepared for battle. I don't care what you're going through. I don't care what life's throwing at you. You still must grind. I fail at most things I do, but still I grind. I don't want to do half the stuff I do, but still I grind. And one day, when you see me running down a dark alley at 1 o'clock in the morning, know this: I was grinding. Every single day when you wake up, you have 2 options. Option 1, look at the clock. Hit the snooze, go back to bed, dream about what you want. Option 2, look at that snooze button, kick that clock, get up and go pursue your dreams. You need to walk through the mud of life if you ever want to reach the higher ground. The higher ground is where you look in the mirror and you have respect. You went through the work. That's what equity's all about. The end product? A legacy. A life you put your signature on. Something that matters. Not hollow words, but action. That's what lions do. Lions don't give up. Lions don't quit. Lions grind. I still grind. I love to grind. If you're competing in one of my businesses, I'm gonna outwork you. I'm gonna outgrind you. You have to be willing to work in places people don't see. While the other guy's sleeping, I'm working. While the other guy's eating, I'm working. There's someone out there who wants what you have, who wants your position, your job, your spouse. Someone hungry who wants everything you can have. So, use that. Let it motivate you. Mitchell Tuffman said it best. Not only do I climb the mountain, I enjoy climbing the mountain. I get a kick out of the mountain. I get a kick out of the weights. I get a kick out of the fatigue. I get a kick out of the grind. Take advantage of this opportunity. Let everything else go. Eat different, study different, practice different. We don't have forever, so don't act like it. We're all gonna die, so I don't act like I'm gonna live forever. Every opportunity I get, I murder it. Process driven. I love it. I'm about that life. I get up every morning at 3 o'clock, when I want to and when I don't. When I feel like it and when I don't. Why? Because I'm process driven. I'm not feelings driven. Champions aren't feelings driven. Champions don't get up when they feel like it. If we want to be champions, we must be process driven. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.